This is it for this video. If you want to boost your sieving business with highly effective organic marketing techniques, check out my organic marketing guide for sievers. It contains over 80 tailored strategies made specifically for sievers. And using just a few of these techniques can drastically increase your sales. As a bonus, you also get 700 SEO keywords for sieving blocks, which you can use when growing your sieving block, and 400 social media post ideas for sievers for social media growth. Whole pack is only $5 and the link is in the description of this video. Thank you and see you in next one.